Okay, so I really want to be able to filter without this guy and do it in a way that will be way easier for me. So in this case, I have these serials of numbers that is not really easy to filter. So let me try this. I will insert another column, maybe 2 columns. All right. So we'll call this one discipline, and this one I will call it type. All right. So in this case, I will capture, for example, CCC, that I know that that is the discipline, and in this other case, this is DRG, that I know this is a drawing. All right. We go down 1 row and then we do Control E, and the same in here. And now we can filter really easy. All right, but I don't really want to do that. What I actually wanna do is to create something else. So I will add another space in here, because this is a table. It is in a table format. You can go to table design and insert slicers. Right, so I want the discipline and I want the type. And you see that they look kind of funny. We can do, when we pick the slicer, we can say, all right, instead of having 1 column, we want to have 3 or 4. We got the discipline right there, and the type is 3 columns like that. Right, so for example, I want to check only drawings. I want to hide this as well. I don't need it anymore. So you see that this is still working. So I can do that. If I want to pick drawings, for example, and also reports, I can press Control and I can have both of them. See?